How to take burst of photos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open camera app, and if you want to take burst of photos in iPhone 16 Pro Max, then simply press and swipe to left side, and after that open photos library, and here open a photo, and here you can see your 8 brush photos. Then simply click on brushes, and here you can select anyone and then click on done. And here you can two options, keep everything and keep only one in favorite. And if you can select keep only one in favorite, then it will be only single photo, the brush photo will be finished. So this is the way to take burst of photos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.